In recent years, the trend of automobile intelligence and electrification has been obvious, which has greatly increased the demand for enameled wheel application. Among them, the demand for flat enameled wheel has greatly increased due to the technical outlet ushered in by the hairpin motor. Traditional enameled wheel peeling methods include chemical paint removal, flame paint removal, mechanical paint removal, etc., which has problems such as wheel damage, unclear removal, and environmental pollution. Laser processing has the advantages of no consumables, no contact, flexible operation, etc., and it is also easy to realize automation. We are a high-tech company specializing in MOPA fiber laser source. We are a high-tech company specializing in MOPA pulse fiber lasers with the maturity of domestic high-power MOPA single-mode laser technology. GZTECH technology has achieved complete import substitution of high-power MOPA lasers, reducing cost for customers and increasing efficiency for the industry. In the future, GZTECH will continue to develop more and more meaningful advanced laser applications.